Pdiang sngewbha pi shaka FLOWDA MILES Channel. Lada fi sngewtynnad yak video sngewbha ban like, share and subscribe. Khublei Shibun. Uba Ardent menta ka sngi Hapoh ka Jing dorbar thau ain ka jala bat ka sngi mang tengka ka balai jong une usnem arja rapusau. U ong baha ka khat khandai tarik u January une usnem udan ya ka meeting ha ka snong saphai bat ulai kan ru ya Shibun kinong song snong bat Kylli kerpat ru ya uba unra ya ka mat jong ka Jinghiar dor u Shynrai Lakadong sngap ka Sorkar ka jubab ayu ha ka ni ka phang.
Sir, it was on 19th of January this year that I attended a program of the village organization for the SHG Meet Come Exhibition program at the Safai village. It was there that I met many villagers and had a conversation with them where they requested me to take up the matter with the government in connection with the decline on the sale of Lakadong turmeric, which has really surprised me. They told me that the reason is because other people from other states have planted Lakadong turmeric by taking the rhizomes from here and sell the produce by using the name of Lakadong turmeric. So this has diluted the quality of Lakadong, of original Lakadong turmeric, and since their soils cannot yield the same quality of turmeric, because soil is one of the most important factor that largely contributed to the quality of Lakadong turmeric. It has also created a confusion among the consumers to differentiate between the original Lakadong turmeric with this counterfeit Lakadong turmeric uses the name of Lakadong turmeric. So, sir, to you, I would strongly urge the minister in charge to take up this matter seriously and to do whatever way possible to protect the right of the original Lakadong turmeric growers. And in case this turmeric has not been patented, the government may perhaps facilitate the same so that no other than the original Lakadong growers can use the name of Lakadong turmerics. With this submission, sir, I resume my seat.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I am grateful and thankful to the Honorable Member of Nongkrem for having raised this important matter. So, Meghalaya Lakadong turmeric is one of the finest varieties of turmeric in the world and is grown exclusively in Jinghiar Hills region with significant involvement of women farmers and entrepreneurs in its cultivation and processing. Over 13,000 farmers from about 124 villages covering 2,130 hectares of land are engaged in the cultivation of this miracle spice. Lakadong turmeric is considered to be one of the world's best variety of turmeric, with curcumin content up to 12%, outshining other turmeric varieties, which typically contain only 2 to 3% of curcumin. This high curcumin content enhances the health aiding and culinary attributes of Lakadong turmeric, making it highly sought after in national and global markets, especially in the post-COVID era. The high curcumin content is a result of the favorable soil and climatic conditions of the region surrounding the villages and the tender care given to the crop by the farmers. Despite the immense potential, farmers face multiple challenges in terms of unavailability of planting material, inadequate infrastructure, presence of multiple intermediaries, and limited access to finance. All these led to low price realization for the farmers. To bring about positive changes in the value chain of Lakadong turmeric, the government of Meghalaya launched the mission Lakadong for a holistic value chain development. The mission supported farmers through capacity building, technology adoption, and access to remunerative markets. The intervention enabled a sustainable transition towards a more equitable and remunerative income generation option for the turmeric farmers of the state. These interventions helped the Lakadong turmeric to stand out and garner much attention from all fronts, leading to high demand from both national and global markets. Taking advantage of the default organic nature of the crop and its high curcumin content, a number of market players have been making inroads into the villages of Jangthmu Hills to source the Lakadong turmeric. However, this has led to a concerning trend of mislabeling and marketing the turmeric products from other regions and states as Lakadong turmeric. Therefore, to protect the authenticity of Lakadong turmeric from the Jangthmu Hills region of the state, the application process for geographical indication or the GI tag was initiated in the year 2019. A GI tag is a form of intellectual property which is used on goods or products that have a specific geographical location or origin and possesses quality of a reputation due to that origin. The basic objective of the GI tag is to prevent unauthorized use of a registered geographical indication. The GI tags are issued as per Geographical Indication of Goods Act of 1999 by Geographical Indication Registry under the Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. After a series of hearings and clarifications, the Registrar of GI in Shynrai officially awarded the GI tag number 741 to Lakadong turmeric for East Jangthmu Hills and West Jangthmu Hills district on the 29th November 2023. The application was made by Lakadong Turmeric Cooperative Union Limited, JOI, and facilitated by the Directorate of Horticulture, Department of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. The GI status accorded to Lakadong turmeric stands to safeguard traditional methods and knowledge, ensuring that only farmers and growers within the designated geographical area utilizing traditional methods can use the GI tag. The tag also serves as a unique selling point for the farmers and sellers to differentiate their product in the market, potentially leading to higher prices and increased demands, especially in niche markets and lucrative markets for high quality products. It was reported that various buyers are engaged in the procurement of Lakadong turmeric seeds for undertaking production in other states and for further selling it as Lakadong turmeric, which creates consumer confusion and tarnish the image, quality, and unique characteristics of the Lakadong turmeric. Consequently, this led to brand dilution and significant financial losses for the Lakadong turmeric farmers. Taking cognizance of this issue, a notification was issued by the department prohibiting the sale of Lakadong turmeric seeds for production outside of the Jangthmu Hills region. All these interventions have successfully revitalized Lakadong turmeric farming in Jangthmu Hills region, with over 13 times increase in the number of farmers engaged in turmeric cultivation. The focused initiatives are in line with the vision of doubling farmers' income and enabling the Lakadong turmeric farmers to command remunerative prices. Therefore, there is a need to protect the ownership of Lakadong turmeric and benefits the farmers, for which the government has taken the best possible steps. Government of Meghalaya is committed to promoting and marketing the quality produce from the state of Meghalaya and intends to continue pursuing GI tags for various products. This will enable the state to bring out the unique offerings on the global stage while also increasing farmer incomes and stimulating the local economy. I trust that this clarification satisfies the honourable member, and I assure that whenever we receive any formal concerns, we will take it up and we will ensure that we protect this indigenous variety of Lakadong from the state of Meghalaya.